Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Blot firmly to lift pooled apple juice because pressing prevents deeper penetration. Once blotting has removed surface liquid, rinse the back of the stain with cold running water to push juice out, not in. Make a gentle solution of 1 teaspoon dish soap plus 1 cup cold water in a bowl. This begins chemical lift. You'll use vinegar later only if sugar residue remains, so keep it handy but don't apply yet. You apply the soap solution to the stained area, starting at the outer edge and moving inward to avoid ring formation. Then, use a soft brush or cloth to gently agitate for 1 to 2 minutes so surfactants lift sugar and pigment. Make sure to let the solution sit for about 5 minutes to react. Once you see the color fading, rinse thoroughly under cold water. If the stain persists, repeat the soap application once more and move to an enzymatic step if available. You finish by pre-treating stubborn residue with a 1-to-1 mix of white vinegar and water. Blot and rinse, because vinegar breaks down sticky sugars. Then launder according to the garment's care label using a cold water cycle, and the correct detergent hot water can set stains. Air dry the item. Make sure the stain is gone before any heat. Troubleshooting tip. If a faint stain remains after drying, repeat the vinegar or enzymatic treatment. Never use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.